Hey, this is Sammie.
This is Abby.
All right, so Abby, reflecting on your teaching, what is one thing you believe you did well in this lesson?
I think I did a good job with making sure that each student really understood what it was the problem was asking. Like, I repeatedly made sure that they were constantly telling me what was going on in the problem and how many total apples there were and what colors they needed to find out. So I think I just did a really good job in making sure that they really knew what it was asking them.
All right, and then what would you like to improve upon in future lessons?
I think I need to slow down at some points and just pay attention to what I'm doing in the moment. I think I forgot to ask them. What was it?
Oh, read the problem.
No, I forgot to ask them. What was it?
Did they wonder?
Yeah, what did they wonder about the problem? And just slowing down in general and making sure when I hand them the worksheet to ask them to, or showing them where the problem is and making sure they understand that the writing on the paper is the actual word problem that they're trying to solve.
All right, and then what did you learn about each of your students today that will inform you of your future instruction?
I definitely learned that each student is on different levels and they can actually help each other, because one of the students knew so many combinations, so many ways to do it, and one didn't even really know where to start. So I think that her prompting and my prompting kind of helped him understand it.
All right, and then
That's history.
yes, okay, my turn.
Okay, so what did the teacher do particularly well?
Okay, so you did really well. The kids, when you asked them had they ever been to an apple orchard, they all looked at you with the most confused face, and they were like, no. You did a really good job of helping them understand. You gave them the pictures, and you were talking them through the pictures and having them really point out what they saw and what the difference is between the yellow apples and the red apples, and about Charlie and his basket, and you really set up the problem really well. And then getting them to figure out what the word problem is asking. I think you did a really good job of trying to get them to understand that there are some red apples and there are some yellow apples and how many of each.
Mm-hmm.
And
what can the teacher continue to practice doing?
I think you could continue practicing. The only thing I noticed is you once they said no, you didn't really tell them what an apple orchard was. You kind of went straight into the picture. So maybe making sure you explain what an apple orchard is. And then it was kind of hard because we were both on asking different students about their strategies, but maybe asking a few more follow-up questions to them about their thinking. And then also, you mentioned about the wonder. You just forgot to ask them after you gave them the problem. You didn't ask them. So, what are y'all wondering about this problem? Those are the things that I think you could work on.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Bye.